Hello guys, my name is Kevin and welcome back to CPC about 3 months ago, and now it's finally time to make a new CPC video. This is my laptop and my PC. That's HP EliteBook 814 G1 Intel Core i5 4300U, about 8 gigs of RAM, and Intel HD 4040 graphics card. But it is not made it for gaming. So now I had delivered new PC parts. So let's see what it's arrived at my door. PC's processor is this time AMD Ryzen 5 2600, 6 cores and 20 threads. That's amazing. Graphics card is a Palette GeForce GTX 1615 with 4 gigs of video memory. For memory, I buy Western Digital Witty Blue SN500 SSD with a great speed, and for the hard drive I use Witty Red with 2 terabytes of memory. Power supply is this time Corsair CX 550 watts. This is a great power supply with and this is not a loud sound. This is so quiet and great. I like this. I use Corsair Range RAM to this PC. 60 gigs of RAM and 300 megahertz speed. And motherboard is this time Asus Rockstrix B450F Gaming. This is RGB Lightning gaming motherboard. This is just amazing, and it supports AMD Ryzen. And the case in this PC is Fractal Design Focus G. You didn't wanna feel that I just captured one photo, not a video of that build, because I changed to just the photo capturing mode, not the video capturing mode, so I didn't get any video of my building. So now let's just teleport to when I start up that. Sorry about that. Well, it's working great, and yeah, but how the games run, we will see it now.